Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make real-time clock using Raspberry Pi Pico and RTC DS1307 module. So let's get started. We require Raspberry Pi Pico, DS1307 RTC module, 16x2 LCD with I2C module, some jumper wires, and breadboard. Follow this schematic diagram and make connections. Take a breadboard and place Raspberry Pi Pico on it. Take DS1307 RTC module and place it on a breadboard. Connect ground pin of RTC with ground pin of Pico. Connect VCC pin of RTC with 3.3 volt of Pico. Connect SDA pin with GP0 pin and SCL pin with GP1 pin. Take LCD with I2C module. Connect ground of LCD with ground of Pico. Connect VCC with 5 volt. Connect SDA with GP26. Connect SCL pin with GP27. Our connection is completed. Now let's go for coding. To write and upload program, here I use Thorny IDE. First we have to download library for RTC module. For that, go to Tools, then Manage Packages. Search for URTC. And install it. You can see library is downloaded. Now first, we see program to set time. Link is given below. Open settime.py. Then copy and paste in Thorny. Then save this code in Raspberry Pi Pico as settime.py. Now run this code to set time. First it will ask for year. It is 2021, so I write 2021. And press enter. Then it asks for month. It is April, so I write 4. Then it asks for date. So write date. And it asks for hour, minute and second, so set accordingly. Now our time is set. You can see date and time is print every second. Now let's code for clock with LCD. Open this lcd underscore api.py and copy and paste in Thorny. This is library for LCD. Save it in Raspberry Pi Pico as same name as I save. Now open this one and copy and paste and save it in Raspberry Pi Pico with same name. This is also library file for LCD. Now open this main.py file. This is our main program. Now save it as main.py. And press run button. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something new. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this.